Good evening, everybody. Welcome to our new store in Soho. This wonderful building, which was built in 1854 as a fire station. What we've done is to restore all these lovely brick walls to their original state. And there's no shop fitting, it's just the plinths and the products. You can walk around, you can try things out, and you can even have your hair done. We've launched quite a lot of new products recently, and now we have Chitosan, which is a pre-styling cream and a post-styling cream, which holds your hair so that it's free to move and it's soft and silky. And it's devised from the Chitosan from the oyster mushroom. So around each hair, it forms this lovely network structure. It shears as you rub it in your hands, and then you put it into your hair. But we've developed it alongside our technology. And now I want to hand over to my son Jake, so thank you very much.
Good evening. I was brought up with creativity, experimentation. What I picked up from my father is not being afraid to have a go at things, solve those problems. So for 30 years, our engineers have built capability and expertise in reducing sound in products. 3 years ago, we launched the Dyson Zone, this product here. So we've taken the advanced noise cancelling, improved even further from this product, and have now produced our first audio headset called the OnTrac. We wanted to create some headphones that you really cherish. I want you all to put them on this evening, to try them out and listen to some tunes. That's enough for me this evening, but thank you very much and enjoy yourselves.